हम्पी ट्रिप व्लॉग सीरीज में अब तक आपने देखा हॉस्पिट जंक्शन एंड ये हेलो। तो हम जा रहे हैं अंजनाद्री टेम्पल और यहाँ हो रही है हैट्स एंड कैप्स की शॉपिंग। वी हैव टू क्लाइम 570 स्टेप्स। वी वर्ड द इंप्रेशन कि 170 चढ़ना है, फिर पता लगा 570 चढ़ना है। एंड दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक द मिनिमम वेयर इज द टेम्पल सीन, वेयर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि 100 में जन्नत का स्टॉप आ जाएगी। होपफुली नॉट, बट हाँ। सो गाइज, आई हैव अ 50 रुपी नोट विद मी राइट नाउ एंड 50 रुपी नोट के पीछे जो आपको मॉन्यूमेंट दिखता है, there it is, live right behind you. So we are here at the Lotus Mahal. Sundar architecture. This is the area around. That one right there is the basement of the Queen's Palace, rest of which has been destroyed. This is the baki ka area. चलिए देखेंगे. We are at the Virupaksha temple. This is the entrance, built in 1442 by Mr. Daka Bukka Harihar. End up happening. कल बहुत जल्दी उठना है because we have to take a 3-hour road trip to I don't know where we are going first, but basically we are going to cover Pattadakal, Aihole and Badami, which are 3 of the most important places. And tomorrow is also Ashtami, so I'm kind of excited. You will see why tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome to day 3. Sorry मैं ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लेट बना रही हूँ। अभी बज रहे हैं सुबह के 10 एंड एज यू कैन सी आज हमने साड़ी पहनी है क्योंकि आज अष्टमी है। सो शुभ अष्टमी। इवन दो ये वीडियो जब तक पोस्ट होगा तब तक 5 अष्टमी गुजर गए होंगे। आई होप नॉट, बट वेल या। एंड एज यू कैन सी मैं अभी गाड़ी में जा रही हूँ। वी हैव 3-hour journey today because we are going to Aihole, Pattadakal and Badami, जैसे कि मैंने कल बताया था, जिसमें से almost 75% of the journey complete हो भी चुकी है। We had been blasting tunes in the car and काफ़ी सारे पार्टी सॉन्ग्स वगैरह सुने। फिर अभी सबको थोड़ी थोड़ी नींद आ गई है तो ऑलमोस्ट सब लोग सो गए हैं और मैं ये अपडेट वाला वीडियो बना रही हूँ टू गिव यू एन अपडेट अबाउट आवर स्टेटस। एंड सॉरी फॉर द शेकी एंगल, मैंने अपना सेल्फी स्टिक नहीं निकाला है, आई एम टू लेजी, तो वैसा हाथ में ही पकड़ा हुआ है मैंने। एंड या बाकी वीडियोज़ वहाँ जाके जो भी टेम्पल्स, हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस वगैरह देखेंगे, आई विल मेक मोर वीडियोज़ देयर एंड येस आई विल सी यू। ओह उसके पहले आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू, हमें आज सुबह बहुत जल्दी उठना था, तो मैं बहुत जल्दी नहीं उठी क्योंकि उठा ही नहीं गया, इतनी नींद आ रही थी ज़्यादा। एंड एकदम कंफर्टेबल से बेड पे मस्त पसार के सो गई थी मैं। तो उठ के फिर साड़ी वगैरह पहन के वी हैड सम नाइस ब्रेकफास्ट एंड वी लेफ्ट लिटिल लेटर देन वी वर सपोज टू, बट ठीक है, होपफुली विल बी रीचिंग आई थिंक इन 45 minutes an hour होपफुली। तो चलिए वहाँ पे चल के हम आपको बाकी अपडेट्स देंगे। सो या सो वी आर करंटली इन Aihole and this is the monument complex that you can see. We are walking through this very scenic path. Our guide sir is right there and the camera is a little shaky. I'm trying to hold it steady but I'm walking. So and ये रहे हमारे group members. Hello. तो यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे दुर्गा देवी का टेम्पल है. There is a museum as well. I'll show you more snippets once we reach inside. We are inside the Lad Khan temple right now, which is one of the first temples built by the Chalukyas. So these are some of the interesting inscriptions we are seeing. The Gajalakshmi. This is, अरे कहाँ गया वो? हाँ, Yogasana of a person.
The ladder, stone ladder.
अच्छा.
The ladder.
Oh, lovely.
The top one first plus small one tapa.
Oh,
The पहले जा सकते, just close. The school to jumping करता.
oh,
This is a stone
something
ladder.
cool. This is the pre-marriage love phase, जिसको आजकल हम बोलते हैं the dating phase. And on the opposite wall, जब honeymoon phase खत्म हो जाता है, ये होता है the wife kicking the husband. Oops. Getting into the second temple. Nikita, big steps. Big steps. Okay, we are entering here. Careful. And एक small step.
Give over.
Yes.
Sit. Sofa set.
And that right there, it was the first trial Mukhamandapa, after which the Lad Khan temple was made. So now we're going to take a picture of it.
Sun temple. In world famous in Pune का sun temple बना. The 8 feet. मैडम. This is a sun god temple. सीधा दो हाथ में लोटस. सूर्यदेवा. करेक्ट? दो हाथ में लोटस सूर्यदेवा. This is a surrounding 9 plates. नवग्रह 9 god.
Nice.
1 2 3 4
Okay.
5 6 7 8 9 सूर्यदेवा.
Okay.
नवग्रह 9 god 9 planets.
Nice.
अभी 8 planets. Pluto missing. सीधा उषा एंड संध्या दोनों का पत्नी. उषा मॉर्निंग, संध्या इवनिंग.
Evening. Ah.
संध्या and
उषा और संध्या का
उषा and
पति.
संध्या. उषा मॉर्निंग, संध्या इवनिंग. सूर्यदेव 2 वाइफ दोनों का पत्नी.
Ah.
उषा
How nice.
सन यमा, संध्या सन
Okay.
शनि गॉड.
Okay.
The sun got stone turned 7 asses 7 घोड़ा.
हाँ. Ah.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7
The 7 horses
7
of the
घोड़ा.
sun.
7 घोड़ा means 7 days.
The 7 days of the week.
7 colors. Saptapadi, Saptasaga,
Lovely.
Saptaswara. This is sun god stone chant.
How nice.
Madam, inside the full dark. Please go.
These two are student project halls which have been built on the stone chariot model in Hampi जो मैंने आपको कल दिखाया था. So it's so cool. यहाँ पे बैठ के निकिता और मैं प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे. So cool. So this one is called the Naida, which is, as the name suggests, a place where Nais यानी barbers used to stay. And that शिखर style is the Dravidian शिखर style जो कि साउथ इंडिया में पाया जाता है. नॉर्थ इंडियन तो आपने अलग अलग जगहों पर देखा ही होगा. और ये बाकी का टेम्पल कॉम्प्लेक्स जहाँ से हम चलते हुए जा रहे हैं. अभी हम जा रहे हैं नेक्स्ट प्लेस पे जो कि देखते हैं. लुक एट द इंट्रिकेट डिजाइन्स ऑन द सीलिंग that the architects used to make.
You take photo,
And
then
this is the pillar of the Sabha Mandapa, as you see, where these are the bangle type designs, all made from a single stone. That's so cool to think about. And where we are standing right now is the Sabha Mandapa. And inside you have, just a second, Nikita. Inside you have 3 chambers for Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. The idols are not here anymore because they are in the museum. Fun. So that one there is the museum which has been recently made. Earlier people used to enter from there. हाथ मुँह धोते थे इस वेल के पानी से जहाँ अभी बहुत कचरा है. And then they used to enter from this entrance to go towards that temple over there. And ये बाकी का हमारा कॉम्प्लेक्स. अभी हम प्रोसीड कर रहे हैं उसमें
Apsara. Human body. The last one, Lata Shaka. Lata.
द क्रीपर्स. हाँ,
Only was the dwarf family.
वो क्रीपर जाते हैं ना, प्लांट्स which hold on to window sills and go
The
upwards.
5 branches. Shaka means branches.
Branches, right.
Vishnupada, Yamuna and Ganga.
Oh.
The great in India, the bank of river, Yamuna and Ganga. The Yamuna standing the vehicle,
Okay.
tortoise, kachoy.
Oh,
Ganga standing, crocodile.
crocodile.
Mother
Okay.
How to identify Yamuna vehicle tortoise? The Yamuna with a slow movement. The tortoise is a slow movement.
Slow movement.
Ganga with the
Ah,
speed. The
that's why
crocodile speed.
crocodile.
The
Ah,
Vishnu
how
vehicle,
nice.
Garuda.
Garuda on the top.
The top of scene is very beautiful. Sheshanaga.
Sheshnag on the top. Ooh.
Karnataka, the very big, very beautiful statue in Aiol.
So we learned a lot of cool things over here. काफ़ी कुछ है यहाँ देखने के लिए. But कुछ जो मेजर highlights है वो मैं आपको अभी दिखा देती हूँ. Okay. तो here once we enter the temple, you basically have the Aihole School of Architecture, where you see the first stage you have a plain pillar right here. Then you have the second stage where it's slightly more developed. The third stage where it is even more intricate. And the final stage where you have all of these intricate carvings. And the one that you see on the top right there, that is a representation of a drunk couple called Som something. I'm not exactly sure of the name. And there's the husband and the wife who are so drunk that they're having to take support of their servants. And the wife is apparently vomiting, and there's a small dog, Niche, who is licking that. And that I found very funny. So I thought I want to show that to you. Now I'm going to show you something more interesting. On the top there you have the Nag avatar, the face of the human and the body of the snake. And that is very interesting. And you have this, the episode of the Mahabharata where Arjun looked into the water and hit the eye of the fish. So that has been represented here. Okay, now I'm going to show you something even funnier than the drunk couple I showed you there. This is another drunk couple where you can literally see the lady is so tun that she is almost falling on her husband, and her husband is providing her support. So basically, in this place where we are standing right now, there are 4 types of couples represented. Outside here, you can't really see, but there are the happy couples and there are the Gandharva couples dancing, which are represented on the ceilings. Can you see? Yeah, okay. You have the Gandharva couples right there. You have the drunken couples right here called the Som Ras something. I'm not exactly sure of the term, but yeah, basically they are drunk. Okay, and this is one couple that represents a lot of modern families. So you have the husband, wife and the kid on her lap. So it's like a proper neutral family. And if you see the lady's hairstyle, the kind of hoops are the ones that I am wearing right now. And if you see her clothes, she's literally wearing gym shorts. And this reminds me of the shorts that I have bought for myself. So this is Aaj Ki Nari. Not literally Aaj Ki Nari, but represents Aaj Ki Nari. So Kal Ki Nari, but Aaj Ki Nari. Yes. And you have a lot of fun things like the swastik window here. Then this is the Shiv. 6-pack body wala Shiv. Very aesthetic looking. Fun. And all of these things that you see are the different hairstyles that ladies during those times used to have. Many of which are like quite modern and are seen even today. Then you have the Varaha Avatar, if I am not mistaken. No, sorry, this is not the Varaha Avatar. This is the Vijay Narsimha, sorry, my bad. The Vijay Narsimha after killing Hiranyakashyap. Then you have... one second. This is, yeah, Vishnu. This is the Vishnu avatar over here. Then you have the temples right here. What else do we have? So basically this, if you see, I'm walking along the shape of the basement, which is in a U. Usually this time ke jo bhi the, they were in like square shape, but this is a U type of basement right here. So ye hairstyles. And this is the Varaha avatar I was telling you about. After protecting the wife of Vishnu, one is Bhudevi, one is Sridevi. So I think that one was kidnapped by Hiranyakashyap, rescued by Varaha. This is the Mahishasur Mardini, which I am seeing on the day of Ashtami, so it's quite auspicious for me, and it's a very beautiful representation as you see. और यहाँ पर है, I do not remember the exact term, but this is आधा विष्णु and आधा शिव. So Vishnu के side पे you have all Vishnu symbols and you have Lakshmi, and on the side of Shiv you have Devi Parvati and the symbols of Shiva. And the hairstyles, and I'm back again. And yeah, okay, this wall has the carvings of the episodes of the Ramayana. So this has like half part of it, and बाकी आधा आपको पट्टडकल में जाके दिखाएंगे. अब हम चलेंगे वहाँ जो मैंने दिखाया, उधर म्यूजियम है. We are going to explore that section over there. Did I have anything else to show you? Let me see. Okay, a lot of it has been destroyed, so ASI is trying its best to kind of protect and maintain. And yeah, this one right here, the Ardhanarishwar, जो यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है. So it's a great treasure trove of things. काफ़ी कुछ है यहाँ पे, जितना हो सका मैंने दिखाया. अब हम चलेंगे म्यूजियम की तरफ. चलिए. This is the whole पट्टडकल कॉम्प्लेक्स. काफ़ी सारे हिस्टोरिकली इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें यहाँ है, एंड हम अब यहाँ से चल के जा रहे हैं. यहाँ से हमने एंट्री करी, एंड अब हम देखेंगे कि वहाँ पे क्या क्या है. सो राइट नाउ वी आर एंटरिंग द विरूपाक्षा टेम्पल इन द पट्टडकल कॉम्प्लेक्स. यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा एक नंदी है जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाह रही थी. ये देखिए, दिखाई दे भी रहा है आपको? हाँ, ये देखिए, बहुत बड़ा नंदी यहाँ पर दिखाई दे रहा है. आई कांट रीड व्हाट्स रिटन देयर इन कन्नड़ा, बट द फ्रंट व्यू, दिस इज द नंदी आई वाज शोइंग यू. इट्स वेरी ह्यूज. And here's mom putting her offering. Exiting the Pattadakal complex now. I just thought before going पूरा आपको complex दिखा देती हूँ, because I didn't take too many videos here. So these are all the temples, and North Indian and South Indian styles दोनों आपको मिलेंगे, Dravida and this. And यहाँ से हम आए, and basically we have explored all the most of the temples here. And अभी हम बाहर जा रहे हैं because we have to go to Badami after this. So yeah, great place. Let's see you soon.